Hi guys, I'm back again with another very special DIY, and this time I wanted to show you guys a very trending product which is actually a lip oil and how to make your very own version of it. So let's get started. As a first step, make sure you have a measuring beaker, put it on the weighing scale, and then go ahead by taking out the polybutene into the measuring cup. Make sure it's only about 5 grams. The second step is adding the squalene that is supposed to be added to about 1 gram. The third step is adding the rosehip oil, which goes to about 3.5 grams. And the last one is adding the vitamin E. With these lip oils, you can always add a little bit of flavor if you like. I do have a strawberry here, but I personally don't really enjoy flavors in my lip oils or lip gloss or any sort of lip product. And you can also add color, but make sure that the color is actually oil soluble. So we just give it one last stir. So our lip oil is ready, and I am just going to pour it into the container. And that's it, we're done with our lip oil. Let's give it a quick test. So the lip oil is ready, the application is done, and I'm using it over a balm already, so it's giving my lips that extra shine, so to speak, like a gloss would do, without the extra heaviness of a gloss. You can either wear it just by itself as you would a lip balm, or you can actually double it over your lipstick or a lip pencil. Either would work perfectly well. Do try this at home and let me know how it works for you. I'll see you guys next week.